Yo, what's up guys? This is Pygoz here, the Crypto Pie, and today is Friday, so we have another Crypto Market Roundup where I go over Bitcoin and all the other altcoins and tell you what I think about the market at that moment, alright? So, we look on the 6 hour here. Bitcoin obviously had this massive sell-off, but guess what guys? Then we got very oversold, so, you know, is it wise for you to look for a short right now? No, not really. Because of the simple fact that we're very oversold. That means that you should be looking for a buy, alright, or a long. So that's Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD, the same thing, massive sell-off. So I think all over the board we will see massive sell-offs because of Bitcoin, right? So let's get through it, right? So ADA had a massive sell-off here as well. Let's just take a look if any of this is attractive to us, right? So if we take our fib here on ADA, exactly to the 0.65, that's what I call a beauty play. All right, so whoever bought that, good job. ADX looks very choppy to me, not too good. Aeon just sideways, actually didn't move much. AMB Ambrosis also had a dump, but still in a bullish scenario here. You know, in between the EMAs, still above the cloud, so it's looking good. App coins under the cloud, under the EMAs, and let's see what kind of retrace this one had so far. 618 to the dot. Another excellent example there, guys. It could definitely drop further, but for now it bounced from the 618. Bet. Basic attention token is just going sideways. Bitcoin Cash making that double bottom. Bitcoin Cash USD. Blue Zell. Let's see what kind of retrace this one had. Once again, 618. Look all across the board. Binance just going sideways. BQX going sideways. Bitcoin futures. Obviously they stopped for now. Bitcoin longs. Right, they are obviously very low. So guys, when this happens, right, when they are very low, well then it's interesting to go long, because you want to do the opposite of the masses, right? So Bitcoin shorts are very high, and well, you know, obviously this one can easily drop. So that is how you can look at it as well, right? BitShares is let's see what kind of retrace. This looked like a steep retrace here, right here. Yeah, 786. So this is a little different, obviously. Then we have BitShares. We already went through that. CMT, CyberMouse, just got a pump up. So, but how much did this one retrace as well? 61865. So that area is very interesting, guys. Like I always talk about, right? Then we have Dash retraced. So it's just very interesting to see. Look, another 618. So that's why I'm going over these guys, to show you guys how strong of an area the 618 is, right? Dent is just going sideways. Doc is going sideways. Elf is going sideways. EOS, it's trending up a little bit, but still under the cloud as well. But hit the 0.5, then it, you know, it had that little reversal here as well. So ETC is just dumping. Not one you want to look at all. Ethereum, let's see what this one retraced to. 61865, another interesting one. Ethereum USD, just for fun, even though we already did it. 786. GTO is just, you know, it's trying to get up there, so it needs to actually still climb and get above those clouds, above the EMAs, then it can get a run. GVT is still uptrending, guys. How long have we been talking about this one? This one's just been uptrending, right? So yeah, looking good on GVT still. 1 2 3 4, still in the 5. Maybe the 5 is an extended 5, whereas there will be 5 waves within it, like 5 big waves, right? GRS is just going sideways. Hot is this shit coin, just like Bitcoin Cash, but this one is a shit coin because of the Satoshi value, right? And that means it's just, you know, very low Satoshi value, so it's very hard to trade. If you want to trade that, trade it on the Ethereum pair. Icon is just going sideways. IOTA is going sideways. IOTX is a little bit uptrending, above the clouds, above the EMAs, but nothing interesting there either. Key is just going sideways. Let's see Key though for you guys. Nah, nothing really. KNC is just going sideways. Link is uptrending here. Let's see. Hit that 618, bounced, hit it again. Maybe it's gonna bounce again, who knows. I would not try to play it twice though. Loom is uptrending here as well. Lisk, well, hit that 886, and I mean, not one of the strong ones, not one I would want to play. Litecoin, let's see what Litecoin is doing here. Also need to look at my Bitcoin here on BitMax, because there seems to be some action going on right now. Maybe I need to add, so guys, just give me 1 second. Alright, so Litecoin USD, Mana, I keep looking at BitMax as well on my other screen obviously. Mana is, let's see what it retraced to. Right, 0.5, nearly 618. I think Bitcoin will get slammed down once more, but who knows, right? If it breaks out, I need to get in. I need to add more to my position. MFT mainframe is going sideways. MTH is uptrending here, trying to get above the cloud. Needs to get stable above it, and then, you know, you could see it going for another run. So MTL is actually inside the cloud, just going sideways. Nano is under the cloud, under the EMAs, not one I would want to play right now. Navcoin, same thing, under the cloud, under the EMAs. Ncash just going sideways. Nablio going sideways. Neo to Bitcoin going sideways. Neo USD obviously going sideways. OMG going sideways. ONT, this one is interesting because it retraced so far 618 and is still holding. So if this area holds, you could buy and, you know, look for the next target up, which would be around here, 5402. PivX, trying to uptrend here, needs to get above the EMAs, above the cloud, then we could see another run. POE, you know, is trying to go up. Let's see what our retracement is on this one. 61865. Obviously, because of this wick, it looks all a little bit choppy, but it's trying to hold in this area, right? Power is trying to uptrend, needs to get above the cloud, needs to get above the EMAs, and then it can trend up further. QSP is currently inside the cloud, needs to hold here. Let's see what kind of retrace we have on this. 0.5. Looking decent. Qtum is just going sideways. RLC is trying to uptrend but needs to get above the cloud right now. Let's see what kind of retrace we have since the low. 61865 once again. Salt is I'd say still it's kind of inside the cloud, right? So let's see what kind of retrace we have here. 61865 once again. Storm needs to get above the cloud as well. 0.5. Stratus just going sideways. Substratum going sideways. Tron also trying to get above those EMAs. It's already above the cloud. Retrace the nice 61865. Actually, a lot of them are doing pretty well here, guys. I think Bitcoin got rejected for now, like I thought to myself already. So I think once more we'll visit that hourly or 15-minute, at least 15-minute lower end of the Bollinger Bands before we will break out. Vibe to Bitcoin is going, I mean, let's see this retrace, right? This retrace is the 0.5. VET is basically just going sideways after retrace. I think it's about 0.5. Okay. Wabi is trying to uptrend here, but it needs to get above the cloud. If it doesn't, then that would just be bad. 786 there. One chain is, I think it already retraced the 618 there. No, 786, sorry. And now it needs to, get above it, right? Get higher. So waves is just having a tough time here, that's for sure. Yeah, not one I want to play right now. Walton chain also not looking too strong. Bitcoin to Euro, Bitcoin USD, Stellar Lumens. So Stellar Lumens, let's see what's going on here. Okay, so retrace way further than 618. Nearly 786. It's not a perfect chart. I like to play the perfect charts, guys, that look very nice, have very nice bounces. 0.5. Okay, so this is one of those that looks okay. Monero. Ripple, let's see, Ripple here, Ripple to Bitcoin. Not that nice either. Yeah. I mean, if I take this one, it's very nice. So this is obviously a bull trap zone. So over here you do see a 618. So that is nice to see. Ripple USD. Well, we don't need to go over that. Verge is trying to uptrend, needs to get above the cloud. Then we could see a run. But the run most likely will only go up to about 299 to 300 Satoshi. ZEC is just going sideways, trying to make the double bottom in. Currently it has a higher low with a lower low on the RSI, so that is a bullish. That's pretty bullish to see. That's a hidden bullish RSI divergence, so that's not too bad. Zilliqa is just going sideways here. 0x is, 1, 2, probably in his third wave. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still expect the 5 up here around 14,085, but it's definitely uptrending. And that was it, guys, for the crypto market roundup. Alright, so before I finish this, let's just take a quick look at Bitcoin. What's going on here, right? On the 1 hour, you see it's just basically going sideways, but on the RSI it's definitely uptrending. So it's in your best favor to look for a long position, not for a short position. Also, that we went over the Bitcoin shorts and Bitcoin longs, and you can see Bitcoin longs are very low and Bitcoin shorts are very high. So it's just in your best interest to look for a long position instead of a short position. And obviously, if it dumps further, you just need to ladder in some more. I don't think it will dump too far. If you just look at the higher time frames, it simply cannot, right? It's definitely hard. The daily, it could dump further, but it's in the low 6,000s, right? When it's in the low 6,000s, I always look for a long position, not for a short position, because it's just so dangerous. Like, who says that it's gonna break 6,000? There's much more of a chance that we'll go back to 6.8 than that we break 6,000. All right, so that is how I look at it. Also, guys, I have a Patreon page, which is patreon.com/Pygoz, and just check out all the tiers, right? See which one fits you. And I cannot thank my 2 patrons enough for now, that just are there to support me. For me to do this a video every day, and every Friday I do a crypto market roundup video, which is a long video, right? So yeah, thanks for that, guys. Also, guys, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where you can ask me any questions, you can ask other people questions. It's just a great chat box to be in, right? So join up with that. Let's see what's going on here. If you guys post any charts, here we have a chart. So we have a B, C for the A, for the B, and then the C on Ripple should get to 35 cents. I like that chart. Nothing wrong with that. Looks good. And then we have a target of a negative 236 here at around 90 cents, 92 cents. Yeah, definitely could play out. So yeah, nice chart there. Nicely done. All right. Also, guys, join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my videos, post about upcoming ICOs. When I find the ICO, I'll tell you guys to whitelist for it, so you are ready for the sale. But at the moment, don't expect any ICOs from me because both Ethereum and Neo are just very low priced, and that means your ICO needs to do very well, right, in order to outperform these ICOs. I mean the Ethereum and Neo, right? So what I do look for in the ICO is a strong team. I look for low token metrics, so low market cap, so it's easy to flip to make some money. And of course, I look for infrastructure projects such as blockchains and protocols because they simply outperform all the other categories, right? Also, guys, follow me on Twitter, which is twitter.com/Pygoz, and follow me on Twitch, which is twitch.tv/Pygoz. Both telegrams will be in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button, and if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.